Let's say you're sick and tired of making paper airplanes that are symmetrical. I'm here to change that. Hi, I'm Celestial Horse God and I'm here today to show you how to make an asymmetrical paper airplane. You will need a sheet of regular Xerox or printer paper and maybe a ruler or some other straight edge for this plane. First, you'll need to fold the paper hot dog style or along the long side of the paper. But here's the catch. You will need to fold one side about 2.5 centimeters away from the other edge. Then, unfold the paper. Now, fold this edge to the middle fold. Do the same for the other side. If you love symmetry, you will begin to hate this already. Now, this is the slightly tricky part. You will need to fold along this corner and point the tip away from the center, but not too far away. Here, I use a ruler to make sure that the angle is not too steep. Flip the paper to the other side and fold the top edges to the center. Now, fold the paper back in half. We will be making wings. The crucial point here is to make sure that the wings are not too small or too big. This is where the part where the tip that we pointed away from the center comes into play. Fold from this tip through the other tip and all the way to the back. And if it feels like there is not enough space at the tip when folding, you can always go back to the previous step and re-angle the tip further away from the center. Just like that. Then flip it back to the other side and then fold the top edge to the center. Then flip it over, and as we went through before, fold from the tip to the other tip and to the back side. A little side note here, the fold does not need to be right from the tip. It can be above the tip. As long as the fold is angled down from the back to the tip, it's okay. Flip it over and do the same for the other side. Notice how there is no tip there, so just fold the wing down along the edge of the other. Your plane is now complete. This plane will always fly to one side. So, if you want to change that, you would need to fold it so that this tip is on the other side, meaning that the shorter end of the craft is over here.